Hello everyone. So in this program or in this video, we are going to write a program to find the smallest element in the given list. Okay. So in the previous video, we had written to a program to find the largest in the given list. So here we are going to find the smallest in the given list. Okay. So we are going to declare one array. We are going to set a limit for that. We are going to enter n elements into that. After that, we are going to compare each and every element. Whichever is the smallest element will be printed. Okay. So let us start our program with our header file, that is hash include stdio.h. Then comes hash include console input output dot h. Then our main class void or main method void main. Then we are going to declare some elements in integer data type a array with its maximum capacity 10, n for the limit, I for our for loop, and a variable called minimum. So we will be storing the smallest number in the minimum variable. Next, we are going to ask the user to enter the uh, limit. Okay, so the user will enter the limit. Whatever number the user has entered will be stored in variable n. Okay, next, using a printf statement, we are going to ask the user to enter the percentage d number. That percentage d stands for or it is related to variable n. We are going to ask the user to enter the n numbers. N is nothing but the limit. Whichever limit the user has given, he will have to enter that much number. So using a for loop, we are going to accept the numbers, right? So in array, our index starts from 0. It should be less than n I plus plus. We can also write I less than or equal to n minus 1 here in this condition. Okay. So next, again scanf, whatever number the user enters will be stored in array A in ith index. Okay, whatever index we are going to fetch here, in that particular index entered number will be stored. Okay, so then what we are going to do is, to the minimum variable we will be keeping a of 0th value. So in 0th index, whichever number we have entered, it will be initially stored or it will be copied in minimum variable. Okay, then what we are going to do is, we are going to write a for loop to extract each and every number from the entered list. For that, we are going to write again I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So from this particular ith I value, that is index value, the uh, values will be extracted from the list and it will be compared. So what I'll do is, I'll compare if a of I is less than min. So whatever content we have extracted is less than the value which is present in minimum variable, I'm going to keep a copy of the extracted number into the minimum variable. Okay, so we are going to check each and every number with minimum variable. As and when I get a number which is lesser than the value of minimum variable, we are going to keep a value of that in minimum variable. Okay, so once the given condition becomes false, we are going to print the value of minimum variable. Printf the smallest number in the list is percentage d, and that percentage d belongs to the minimum variable. Now get ch. So here what we have done is we have declared one array, we have given the limit for that, and using the given limit we have entered the numbers into that particular array. We have kept a copy of first element or the 0th index element into the minimum variable. We have extracted from 0th index till n minus 1th index value from the given array, and we have compared it with the minimum value. Whenever we find a number which is less than the value of minimum variable, we have kept a copy of that in the minimum variable. Once the given condition becomes false, we have printed the value of minimum here, right? So let us debug the program. So we don't have any errors here, right? Let us execute. So now I'll give the limit as 5. I'll give some random numbers 23, 43, 45, 63, 5 and 12. So by looking at it, we can say that 12 is the smallest number, right? Let me execute this again. I'll give 100, 103, 106, 199, 200 and 500. So by looking at it, we can say that, oh, we have given the limit as 100, right? But 100 cannot be taken because we have given the maximum limit as 10, right? Let me execute this again. I'll give the limit as 5. Then I'll enter some numbers 100, 122, 134, 121 and 99. By looking at it, we can say 99 is the smallest number. So I hope you guys have got this. Thank you.